G'day, Liam here visiting Arcwell Engineering in Whangarei. Arcwell have been operating with QuickStock for nearly 4 years now. Today, Eamon and the team are sharing their story of how QuickStock has worked for them.
Arcwell Engineering is a structural steel and metalwork company based in Whangarei and workshop in Auckland. Specialising in high-end residential buildings and complex commercial buildings. So before we put QuickStock into our workshops, we used to manage it manually, checking it off with a clipboard every month and ordering on 2 weekly intervals.
We used to send guys down the road just to the shop and get what we needed. Normally once we run out, oh damn, we need those things quickly, urgently. So most of the time it's just a bit of time consuming instead of getting ahead and then order what we need before we start the job.
We have QuickStock as an open cabinets. Our guys can simply go up to the cabinet, open it, get what they need and get straight back to work. That simply makes it easier for them to do their job, and we just have a real bird's eye view, just making sure that nothing gets out of balance on a month-to-month basis.
So for example, if I'm grinding something and I need a new disc and I use all of them on my trolley, just go in the store, see, okay, I have a whole bunch of new grinding discs, I'll grab a couple. Next time I'll need a pair of welding gloves. Just go there to the cabinet, open the door, and there they are. Really, really easy.
We chose QuickStock because it meant there was always consumables in our workshop when we needed them.
It's way more convenient. We don't have to worry if things are going to be there, if I'm going to be missing some bits.
And plus there was the added advantage that through Euromarc we didn't have to pay for that stock until we used it. QuickStock has enabled us to focus on what we do. It's given the guys on the workshop floor ability to keep on working and make life easier for them, knowing that they are not going to run out of consumables.
It's always ready for us whenever we need it. And when we're low on stock, they just come in and replenish it.
We recently purchased Legacy Steel in Auckland and we put it straight away because we knew how much time and hassles it saved having QuickStock there.
I would definitely recommend QuickStock because it just solves all of your problems trying to organize stuff that you need for the job. It's just always there.
Euromarc's fantastic.
No brainer.
Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching, and a huge thanks to Eamon and the team at Arcwell Engineering for sharing their story with us. See you next time.